In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Google Workspace account, full 2026 guide. 5 minutes. Let's get you signed in confidently and securely. Start by opening your browser and heading to mail.google.com if you want to access Gmail, or admin.google.com if you're an administrator managing your organization. Before you type anything, glance at the address bar and make sure you're on a Google domain with the secure lock icon. This quick check helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. On the sign in page, enter your full Google Workspace email address. That's the one issued by your organization, usually not a personal @Gmail address. If you see an account chooser because you've signed into Google before, pick the correct work account. If it isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and then enter your full address. Tip: if you juggle multiple Google accounts, an incognito or private window can prevent the browser from auto switching to the wrong one. Next, enter the password for that specific account. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for accidental spaces or caps lock. If you use a password manager, let it fill the field to reduce typos. If you've forgotten your password, use the recovery link on the page. Depending on your organization's settings, you may be guided through account recovery or prompted to contact your administrator. If your organization has single sign-on, you may be redirected to a company-branded login page. That's normal. Just follow your company's prompts, then you'll be returned to Google. If you stay on the Google page, click Next to continue. If prompted, complete two-step verification. This might be a prompt on a trusted device, a code from an authenticator app, a text message, a phone call, a hardware security key, or backup codes. Use whatever method you've enrolled. If you no longer have access to your second factor, for example, if you changed phones, use a backup option, or reach out to your administrator to regain access. Never share verification codes with anyone. After successful verification, you'll land in Gmail or the admin console, depending on where you started. If you're on a shared or public device, remember to sign out when you're done. On your own device, you can stay signed in for convenience, but consider enabling a screen lock for extra protection. That's it. You've learned the secure step-by-step way to log into your Google Workspace account, with tips to handle common sign-in scenarios and keep your access protected.